In this video, I want to show how you can create your character's turnaround. That's the front view, the side view, the three-quarter view, and the back view, just using ChatGPT. You don't need any drawing skills to achieve your character's turnaround. All you need is to know the best prompt to enter that will help you generate the image that you want. So let's do this right now. Come over to chatgpt.com. Then on this page, you can see that this is just a new account I just created. You have to log in to ChatGPT using your email address, and once you've logged in, you'll be allowed to use their advanced features. Then on this page here, you have to upload the image of our character. If you don't have a cartoon character, I will show you how to cartoon your character. So this is what you are going to do first. Click on this plus icon at the bottom left corner of your screen. You see the plus icon here, click on it. Then you click on photo library. So it will take you straight to your phone gallery where you can select the image you want to cartoon. So I'll be selecting this particular image for this tutorial. I'll click here and I'll click on done. Then you can see the image at this corner of the text area. So you just enter a simple prompt. Just type create a cartoon version of this character. You click on go. So you just have to wait for some few seconds for our image to be generated. As you're waiting, you don't have to click on this. Don't click on this pause, because if you click on it now, the image will stop generating. You have to start all over again. And if you're using a free account here, you have limitations in the number of images you can generate in a day. So that image you're trying to generate will be wasted and you have to start all over again. So this is one thing you should take note of. So this is what you'll be getting. Now you just have to wait for the image to be fully displayed here. Boom, this is what we've gotten. This is the result we've gotten. Now once we've gotten this, we have to enter another prompt to generate the character's turnaround. So we'll come over to this prompt area. You don't need to upload any image here. Just type a simple prompt. Create the turnaround of the character. Include the front view, side view, back view, and the three-quarter view. Now I'll be leaving this prompt in the description area of this video, so you can copy the prompt and use it for your own character. So once you enter this prompt, you click on this arrow here to proceed. So this is the result we'll be getting, and you can download this image straight to your phone. So just click on the image here, and once you click on it, you click on this download icon to save it to your phone. Alright, and here you can add more style to your character design. Just come over to the prompt area and let me just say okay, make character look more like a gangster, look more like a gangster, and then I click on go, and then wait for the image to be generated, and this is what we are going to be getting as a result. So guys, I want to tell you about my 2D animation course, which covers everything you need to know about making 2D animation videos on your smartphone. I've made well-detailed tutorial videos to guide you through this animation process, and if you are interested in this course, there's a link to my Telegram channel in the description area of this video, and once you click on it, it will take you over to my Telegram page where you can get access to this course. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please click on the subscribe button below and also the bell icon beside it so you get notified once I upload a new video. So stay tuned and watch out for the next part of this video. Bye.